Hello, I'm Executive Chef Joseph Schutza, and welcome to our kitchen. Today I'd like to share with you my recipe and procedure for making marmalade. Marmalade is preserved fruit, normally from citrus, but originally it was made from quince. The word marmalade comes from the Portuguese word marmalada, which means quince gem. Today's orange marmalade is it's mostly made from Sevilla oranges from Spain. The Sevilla orange, if you don't know, has a very intense aroma and is very bitter, pretty much inedible. So cooking it with sugar and syrup, actually makes it sweeter and palatable. Although you can make the marmalade from any citrus fruit, ranging from grapefruit to kumquats, even grapefruit and lime, we will be making this one today with blood orange. So join me now as I show you one of my favorite condiments. With this time, I'd like to say thank you very much to all current subscribers. Your support is greatly appreciated. If you've not done so and like the content, subscribe, like the videos, and turn on all notifications. Let's get cooking. Begin by washing off and scrubbing all of your blood oranges, and then let us cut the ends off like so. Then I will cut in half, lay it flat, and then we're going to cut it into quarters. So, and then proceed to cut into little pie wedges. No thicker than 1/4 of an inch. This is going to enable us to cook it a little faster. And this is what you should look like. Nice uniform pieces. We'll go ahead and transfer that to a bowl and continue cleaning or cutting all of your fruit. Now that we have all of our pieces cut, go ahead and take these ends that still have some of the citrus segments, squeeze your juice into the bowl. All this is going to contribute to the flavor that we want. And that beautiful red color is gorgeous. Well, now I have transferred all of my blood orange pieces into a pot. I'm going to add my sugar. Let's add water. Then we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of butter and turn the heat on high. We're going to bring it to a boil. As soon as it gets to a boil, we will reduce it to low and allow it to simmer. As you can see, we've begun to boil. We will turn the temperature down to medium and allow it to cook. As it cooks, it's going to thicken, and when the syrup reaches 220 degrees Fahrenheit, which is referred to as the gel point, then your pectin has released and it has become gelatinous and would be suitable to make a jelly or marmalade. Well, here we are. After roughly 45 minutes, maybe an hour of cooking, we're getting a really nice thickness. And with that, I'm confident I reached that 220 degree Fahrenheit mark. And we have 222, 223, and still moving up. So now we will turn the temperature down low just to keep it warm, and then we are going to process our jars for canning. Well, there you have my procedure for making blood orange marmalade. Not very difficult. It takes a couple hours though, no big deal. Important part is that temperature, that 220 degrees Fahrenheit. It is critical that you hit that because that's referred to as the gel point. That's when the pectin will make the sugar and the liquid become gelatinous, or it stabilizes at that temperature. So once you hit that temperature, and if you were to put this into a jar and just in the refrigerator, or if you're canning it, whichever you decide to do, you would feel comfortable knowing that if you hit that temperature, you are going to have a jelly. You know, it's not just going to pour out like juice. I've had a few people ask me before, Chef, what if I were to peel the fruit, extract the juice, and then take my sugar and water and whatever I need, and then cook it and go from there, if I can make it? Short answer, yes, you could. However, you would have to add either liquid pectin or powdered pectin to the liquid in order for it to stabilize and become a gel. If you've ever looked at citrus fruits, you have the interior, which is your flesh. You have the exterior, which is, your zest. But there's that white barrier in between that's pretty bitter. That is referred to as the pith. And most of the pectin that is brought from the fruit during the cooking process comes from the pith. So yes, it's very critical that you have that there. Well, thank you very much for joining. I hope you enjoyed the demonstration. Give it a shot. Try it with another citrus fruit, or even try it with a quince like originally done. See how that turns out. Thank you for joining. Yud Fayel.